What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. So everybody has been asking, where is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi at the EFF National People's Assembly in 2024? People have been asking for his whereabouts. There is an EFF member who said we saw him in the morning, but he's going to be here. But actually, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has not been seen at all at this National People's Assembly so far. And MDN News is reporting right now, 14 December 2024. They've posted this right at 9 a.m. and they are saying Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has been suspended from the EFF currently going on at the National People's Assembly. This is saying members of the EFF are alleging that he has been suspended from the party. So they no longer want anything to do with Mbuyiseni Ndlozi because they think that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is not a sellout as such, but he wants to go and join the MK party. He is not clear in his position where he really is at. So he has been suspended from the EFF. Even the SABC, they were interviewing so many people and asking about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. They were not even questioning about who is going to be the deputy president, what are your manifestos and stuff. No, not that. But it was all about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi.
We're not going to answer the question about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. You've got his number, and some of you talk to him. Call him. I'm not responsible for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. 90% of the people who were here, who expected to be here, are here. That's what matters. Whoever is not here was not supposed to be here from the beginning. So you are not going to reduce this organization to some individual. We are going to refuse that.
So it was always clear from day one that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was no longer trusted by the EFF leadership anymore, since he was alleged to have kept the secret that Floyd Shivambu was going to leave the EFF. So that leaves Mbuyiseni Ndlozi with no job at all, so he must most likely have to go back to the ANC. So he was being pushed on social media, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, by so many people and saying he must man up and make a decision. Instead of coming out clearly and saying I am an EFF member, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was just retweeting tweets instead of posting his own tweet. At times he would post an EFF logo. He never really came out in the open. Even at one point, Sina Utambo actually tried to push him and say, you must defend the movement instead of keeping quiet. But all of that fell on deaf ears. Also, another story is that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, obviously he has been suspended. Another story was that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was going to be recalled from the parliament after this National People's Assembly. But what is weird right now is that Malema actually, when they were protesting at the Pala farm scandal, Malema actually said Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is renewed his EFF membership and no political party can claim him. Whilst at that time the media was reporting and saying Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has been banned from the conference. So those were two different views. Malema saying he has renewed his membership, and the media were saying he's been banned. So far, it's the media that is winning this one because Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is nowhere to be seen, and he will most likely be suspended. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.